Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 4 by using 4 is equal to 16 divided by 1. Okay, so now 16 divided by 1 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. So in this problem, first we have to solve this division and this multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. So is equal to 16. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 16 as it is same. Okay, C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1 multiply 4. Now 16 multiply 4, because here is multiplication and also here is multiplication, so both have equal priority. So first we have to solve this part. So 16 multiply 4 is equal to 64 multiply 4. Okay, so now 64 multiply 4 is equal to 256. So the correct answer is 256. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.